Hello everybody, my name is Daniel and this is Biela Blockchain Development Masterclass. Let's get right into it. The most important part of a project is its first prompt. So let's talk about it. First, let's clarify what we are talking about when we refer to Biela blockchain development. We are talking about projects that require smart contracts. We talk about decentralized applications and blockchain platforms. But if you're doing a blockchain blog or a portfolio tracker, this is not what we refer to as a blockchain project. That would be a simple web-based project. So now that it's clear, let's talk about how to prompt for a blockchain project. Of course, as always, you just have to describe your idea to Biela. But if you're not sure about something, you can always use the plan mode to get a better understanding and create a better context for Biela. So let's start with a few examples. The simplest blockchain project you can do on Biela is a crypto token. So let's check it out. Let's create a token called leader. That's it. This is something that Biela will pick up on. It will know that it needs to create a smart contract, deploy it, and also create an interface. So let's give it a go. But while Biela is coding, let's check out a few other blockchain prompts. Let's create an NFT project called the Monkeys. So it's that simple to create a blockchain prompt for Biela. You just have to describe something that would require smart contracts. A token, an NFT project such as this one. Let's create an NFT project called the Monkeys. A DAO platform or a staking platform. Think of centralized and decentralized exchanges. Everything you want to do that requires a smart contract can now be implemented using Biela. But if you're still not sure about what you want to create or how to create your prompt, you can check out our prompts library. So open the library and search for the blockchain category, which you will find near the end of our list. And here you can see a few examples that you can use and get inspired from. But to actually create your own project, you have to bring your own vision. So let's see from our previous prompt how we can add more details to customize our token. So we'll start with the same base. Let's create a token called leader. Okay, and now let's continue with our specific details, which has a supply of 1 million. We want the ticker, let's say LDR, and let's think of what we can add even more. We can add a specific function that would give people a few free tokens every time, so similar to a faucet. So we'll also need a 100 token faucet that can be claimed every hour. And even more than that, we can even add a transfer tax and a 3% transfer tax, which is quite a lot, but it doesn't matter. We're just testing out Biela. So again, the most important thing you have to understand is that you just have to describe your ideas to Biela. And this is how you add any type of custom functionality to your projects. You can even create a token that, let's say, gets burned if it doesn't move for 24 hours. So you encourage transferring an activity on it. And you can do anything you can imagine using Biela just by describing your blockchain idea. Okay, so look at it. Biela just finished generating and this is our new project. Our leader token with its own dashboard and platform. Let me just move my webcam for a bit and we can actually continue seeing the platform. So we have an entire app, we have a landing page, we have the dashboard for the token and also the functional crypto token. The first signs that you're working on a blockchain project are a few changes in Biela's interface, such as a new tab right here called Chain Explorer and this deploy contracts button. But let's continue checking out the project. You can see a few details about it. An FAQ, we can see a tokenomics section that we already went through, utility, roadmap, and admin area. So this is it. This is how you prompt and create a blockchain project using Biela. See you in the next section.